Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. STT is alternatives. According to CryptoCompare data, the Turkish lira represents 5.2% of SHIB's global trading volume, behind only leading stablecoins USDT and BUSD, and the US dollar. The meme-inspired cryptocurrency has also recently been added to leading digital payments platform Wirex, which has over 4.5 million users and allows them to spend dozens of currencies at more than 80 million locations worldwide. Wirex touts it created the world's first cryptocurrency-enabled payments card in 2015. Earlier this year it expanded to the United States and added numerous other cryptocurrencies including Polygon, Matic, Binance's $BNB, Avalanche, $VAX, and Phantom, $FTM. The second news today is Ethereum's Buterin reiterates support for Ukraine, educates Chinese on patriotism. The Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin has been hitting out at Russian President Vladimir Putin over the Ukraine war and has even taken the time to respond to his Chinese-speaking critics. Buterin, who was born in Russia but moved to Canada when he was 6 years old, hit out at Putin on the first day of the Russian military operation, claiming that the Russian leader's actions had ditched peace in favor of war and committed a crime against the Ukrainian and Russian people. He has since followed up by sharing tweets criticizing Putin and calling for an end to hostilities. And on March 9th, he replied to a call to allow Russian students kicked out of universities for protesting war to signal that Europe stands with those in Russia that oppose Putin and oppose the war. Buterin wrote that the first priority was supporting Ukrainians. And he added, next, it was also really important and a priority to support those Russians and Belarusians who refuse to let Putin's zombie regime represent them and take action to oppose it. Social media observers on the platform offered their support for Buterin's call, including the founder of the crypto exchange giant Binance, Changpeng Zhao, who said that the world was lucky to have the Ethereum co-founder. He's 7,437, ending a 3-month increase in holders that unfurled in November. According to analytics platform Into the Block, 95% of holders of SHIB have held the stock for between 1 and 12 months, showing a bullish long-term mood, while short-term sentiment is gloomy. Almost 80% of all SHIB in circulation are held by individuals with a net worth of $100,000 or more. Crypto traders losing interest in risky assets. The first signs of declining interest in Shiba Inu emerged in early February, when the meme cryptocurrency lost over 4,000 holding addresses between January 28 and February 3, 2022. The decline in interest could signal that cryptocurrency traders are reducing their exposure to a risky asset. SHIB's risk stems from the fact that the smart contract code underlying the DEX is publicly accessible, in contrast to Bitcoin and Ethereum, which both have publicly accessible codebases. There is evidence that long-term holders have been amassing Bitcoin, with the total amount held reaching 11.7 million BTC on March 17, 2022, the same day SHIB lost almost 30,000 subscribers. This could signal that long-term investors are hedging their bets against SHIB in favor of BTC. SHIB was trading at $0.00002224 at the time of writing, down 0.045% from the previous week's close of $0.00002225. Market capitalization for the coin is at $12.21 billion. Meanwhile, despite the asset's recent price decrease, the Turkish Minister of Economy expressed interest in the meme currency, considering its adoption with a member of Turkey's SHIB army and other Turkish parliament officials. Shiba Inu's redemption journey. 3 big upcoming catalysts poised to be major triggers ordinary for Ethereum whales who have always chosen to fill up their bags when the market was fearful. Do the whales know something? The whale mentioned above is not the only noteworthy thing that the top Ethereum whales have been doing when it comes to Shiba Inu. They have also ramped up their buying and accumulation of the digital asset. SHIB, which had been dethroned as the top token held by Ethereum whales, has quickly taken back this title. Ethereum whales, in the last 24 hours alone, increased their trading activity in the meme coin, and in its wake, have left the digital asset as the biggest token by dollar value among ETH whales. Currently, these whales hold more than $16 million worth of SHIB between them, over 575 billion tokens. The increased activity by the whales could point to some coming positive movement in the asset. Usually, when big wallets go on a buying spree in any cryptocurrency, they take a significant amount of the coins out of circulation, causing the value to rise by creating scarcity. That could be the case here. Combined with the accelerated rate at which the community continues to burn SHIB, then the decreasing supply could see its price grow fast. However, given that the entire crypto market is down, the recent accumulation trend may not have much impact on the price. And second news today about Dogecoin vs Shiba Inu, comparing the profitability of the top return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16th. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.00003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB could reach $0.00005183 by 2023 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.00004401 for 2023, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2023. What will happen in 2 years? Forecast for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Shiba Inu could cross $0.00007358 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $0.00006333.